Alright, so good day everyone. Welcome to my episode 2 of showing the demo of how to create a branch and set it up. Currently, the denomination owner has logged in already in the app. That's why you see no branch assigned. But first, from the email you got after you got your login details, you were asked to change your password immediately, and so you're just going to do it here. So I will come to profile, then come to security, where you're going to change your password. So the previous password used was this, then you can input your new password and update it, and it's going to be updated. It's very important you do that. So next is creating a branch. So I'm going to create a branch, so you can actually create a branch and assign it to somebody. That's what we'll do. It's in today's episode. Okay, what we will do is we'll create a branch, then we'll add somebody to that branch who would be more like the admin. We're going to add 2 people to the branch, or yes, we're going to add 3 people to the branch right here. So let's do that. So first off, I'll come here to add branch, this branch tab. So I would come here. Don't mind these other tabs, they are not really ready yet, but it's on the go. So I would come here to add a branch. So we have the logo, branch image, you have any, and the branch name. The branch name, I used Bielsa. I think I used Bielsa. Let's check if that was Bielsa that I used. Okay, I used Bielsa. So I'm going to create a branch. Okay, a branch can be in any state here, by the way. So let's go back. Right, so we add a branch, give it a name, logo, image, then the branch name would be branch is a headquarter and ticket. But since this is not really a headquarter, go ahead to create the branch. So we're going to create the branch now. Right, so the branch has been created. So this is what we have here. This is the branch information. So after creating the branch, it's going to automatically switch to that branch. Over here, you can see branches or churches you belong to. You can always toggle or change between branches here. You can do that just to see what's going on there. Alright, so now we are done with creating a branch. Now we need to add a member to that branch. We need to add a member to this branch. So we are provided with different features for doing that. You can import meaning if you have a list of members, you would not want to go to the route of manually adding one by one. You can import it, right? First off, you would ask yourself, how is it going to be imported? Like, I do not know the format or structure. This is where you need to download the templates of how to import it, right? Wait, so we have downloaded the template. Next is export. So export is if you have the list here of members and you want to export it or download the members list to your Excel sheet, you can do that. Add member is adding it one by one. And do that one by one manually. First name, last name, email, number. Then every branch has a role: a member by default, coordinator, admin. Each of these roles have their specific duty or what they would be doing, right? Yeah, so what we'll be doing is I would make use of this import, right? We'll add like 3 or 4 members to this branch, or 5 members to this branch. Okay, then assuming there are already users, or they are already users in the church flow application or software and you would want to just search them to know if they are there, you can actually search them and add them automatically without filling the first name, last name, because they're already in the system and the system is going to capture their information. You can do that with that. So we're going to make use of the import has been downloaded. So we'll just go and check up the Excel sheet in order to add over 5 members to the branch 1 unique denomination. Right, so this is where we are. So we have 4 columns here: first name, last name, email, and phone number. So you can actually come here. The first one could be let's call all right. Now we are done. We're going to save this. It has been saved to this same template. So we go over to the platform, then import them here. So we don't need to download it since we already have it. So we come here to import it here. So we go to download and we're going to see it here, which is this one. So once imported, we have a preview of how it looks like in case there is any correction that needs to be made. So far so good, everything is in order. And I come here to import the 5. Great, it has been imported. So we have 5 imported, 0 duplicates. In case of any error, maybe there were these 2, maybe this email already exists in the branch. It's not going to cancel the whole flow. It's going to add the valid ones, which we see here 5 imported, and will not add a duplicate, but it will display it here so you know why that user was not added. So 5 has been imported. Click on done, and this is what we have here: 5 members for this branch, right? 5 members for this branch. There's a member role, member Brian, Jane, Daniel Doe. All these are members. Okay, so now you have added the members. You can manually do that. Like I said, I want to assign a member role. I want to assign an admin role for that branch. So I can just make Daniel Doe the admin of this branch, or like it's definitely going to be a pastor of this particular branch. Yeah, it's going to be a pastor of this particular branch. So I just come here and make him admin of this branch. Be the admin. Wait. So Daniel Doe is now the admin of the branch. Or if I want to make Stephen Kelly the coordinator, as we proceed with no functions or what the coordinator will be doing, I can just come here and make him the coordinator. I'll explain what it means. So active is more like if you don't want a member to access your brand, maybe something happened, you can actually activate that. So that member will not be able to switch to your branch. So those are things there for you. Alright, so this is what we have. Then over here you see the member. We have 3 tabs here. We have the member, we have the join request, we have the invite links. So the member shows the list of all members here. The join request is unique, right? The join request is if a user creates an account, right? After creating the account, the first thing they will see is which branch do you want to join. So if they see your branch and they click to join that branch, you as the admin have to approve that request. You have to approve that request for that member to join. So that's how it works. Then the invite links is maybe because there was a challenge I had. I told my sister to add all our members to the platform, like go and add them one by one. That was a challenge. So this invite link is just saying, why not create a link, right? Create a link that has an expiry date, then or if you want to set the number of times this link will be used, so you can set that. So what this does is, after this link has been created, you can share it to your WhatsApp group, to your church platform, so people can easily join, and once they click that, they will be automatically added to the branch. So that's how it works. So we have this so far. Members have been added to this branch, and that's what we have for today. So in our next video, what we will do is we are going to log in. We'll do two things, right? We'll be talking about the user flow. We'll log in as this member, and we're going to create an account and see how they are being added to this branch. Yeah. Thank you so much.